Okay, so question number 3 is which of the following are equivalent to the product 2 to the negative 4 times 2 to the third power, and we are to select all that apply. Well, I know that 2 to the negative 4 times 2 to the third power would be using my power of a product rule. So when I take a product to a power, I need to distribute that outside exponent to the exponents that are inside my parentheses. So I need to distribute this 3 to both of my exponents inside. So this would end up being 2 to the negative 12 times 2 to the 9th. So that would be 3 times negative 4 and 3 times 3. But now I see that I can use my product rule in order to simplify this further. And when I use my product rule, I just need to keep my base the same, so it'd still be 2, and I need to add my exponent. So negative 12 plus positive 9 would leave me with negative 3. And now, finally, I have a negative exponent. So I need to make that positive. And since 2 to the negative 3 is in my numerator, I would need to put that in my denominator to make that positive. So I am left with 1 over 2 to the third power, which is also equal to 1 over 8. So if I take a look at my answer choices here, A is 1 over 8, B is 8, so that would not be one of my answers. C is 2 to the negative 12 times 9, and I see that in my first step where I simplified, that's what I got there. So C would also be one of my answer choices. And D is 2 to the negative 1 times 2 to the 6th, and when I add those together, I get 2 to the I get 2 to the 5th power, so that would not be one of my answers. So my only correct answers would be A and C.